All right, so the first thing is locate your mass airflow sensor. Mine is right here. If you're not sure where it is, find your air box and look where it connects to the engine on one side and the air filter on the other side, and look in the middle and you'll be able to locate it. You can see mine here has 2 screws holding it to the air box, and this wiring harness here which has our wires that go out to our engine control unit. You can also see where it kind of sits down into the air box to be able to actually measure the airflow. Once you've located it, we'll go ahead and take it off. All right, first we'll take our wiring harness off while it's still screwed in, like so. Then we'll get our Phillips screwdriver and take off the screws that hold it into the airbox. Oh, that's not good. We'll get and find that one in a second. Make sure you don't drop it if you have 2 hands. All right, we'll set that one aside. We'll find our other one real quick. Here it is. Now we'll go ahead and take our airbox, or our mass airflow sensor out, and you can see here our airflow sensor. All right, so to clean your sensor, you're gonna wanna get specific mass airflow sensor cleaner. I have a bottle of CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner here. There's a small little bottle, got it as part of a pair of this and some throttle body cleaner, a little bit cheaper, but you wanna get specific mass airflow sensor cleaner. Don't use anything else. Give it a few shakes. Put our little straw nozzle in here. And then what you're gonna wanna do is, you can see right in here my straw is pointing. Don't touch the actual element, but that's where your actual sensor is. So you're gonna wanna spray it about 10 to 15 times. Keep a little bit of a distance. Like I said, don't touch it with the actual straw. And you'll see the little sediment coming right off of it. So on this one here, there's only one side we can access it from. So we'll try to get it from a little bit different angles. Simple as that. So you're gonna wanna make sure you let it dry before you put it back in. Reinstall it the same way. The 2 screws, connect the sensor up. Again, let it dry up, and then you're good to go.